What are we gonna touch first on this thing? Could do the suspension, could do the interior. What are we doing today? Monday. First day out of the gates. You guessed it. Those last set of BCBRs that I bought for the Civic were the first I ever bought, and they won't be the last. Because it took a beating, and they were cheap, and they did exactly what I needed them to do, compared to like a Raceland where they would fall apart or ride like a rickety old shotgun Wells Fargo stagecoach. So today we're going to be putting these coilovers on. Getting further into this job here, and I'm finding that I don't think he actually had these struts installed proper, like made it all the way. Then he just like left the, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe he cut them, I don't know. But he probably had the wrong tops. These are probably forced or some, I don't know, random ass struts with the wrong tops. There's no reason for them to be like that. I don't want to talk about nothing I feel, no. There she blows. GF4 wagon is nicely lowered on some BCBR coils with some BBS's 5x100 04 STI wheels nestled in there. Whoo, she's a beaut. But she has not been adjusted yet. I'm leaving her on the setting at KMS because I want it to settle down and then we'll readjust. I also need to do the fender roll as well as some other stuff. I do want to do the rear discs, and I had to pull one of the cables or one of the brake lines through, so I had to take the free, and I pretty much have no braking pressure. So with all these little side projects adding up on it, I'm just gonna keep it as a roller. The daily's a roller for like the first week, you know how it goes. And then not only that, but this wheel bearing is foo-bar. So those are things that need to happen ASAP to really get it going. We also have the shift linkages on the way, so a lot of preventative maintenance. Not preventative, not really with the coilovers, but maintenance in general for the car coming up. And I'll try to include as much as that I can. I did remove the tow package dealio thing off the rear, so I will need to get this side's exhaust mount because it was part of that. It was not there. So, but the nice thing is I can sell the towing kit for some extra cheddar. So at any rate, that's where we leave off today with the GF4 wagon project. It's one checked off the list, and many more seem to be finding their way to the list. So that's how it always goes when you first get a used car. You got to go through the gremlins, and I'm finding them and sorting them and cleaning it up. So bear with me. Thanks for watching.